Hi friends, this is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. So in the next series of videos we are going to see about collections in detail. For now I will just explain about collections in a brief manner. So before explaining about these collections, I will tell something regarding interview process. Whenever you attend any software interview, you would face the questions from these topics because this is a very basic topic that you need to be very strong. Suppose if you want to be a very good software developer, then you need to be very good in collections and you need to be very smart in selecting the data structures that suits your use case. If you need to be a very good Java programmer, then you need to be very good in collection topics. So first we will talk about what is a collection in a general thing. Collection is a group of things. For example, if you need to collect the things, collect the chocolates, what you do means you try to use some jar where you will collect a set of chocolates like Perk, Munch, 5-star, etc. So that jar acts as a container or collection. It is collecting a set of chocolates. Similarly, Java also plays that kind of role. So in programming terminologies, collections means collection of data. It can be similar data or it can be unsimilar data. So here the data is collected and it is kept in some place. That some place is called memory. So that's the general meaning of a collection. So in real-time example, telephone directory would be the best example to explain collections. In a telephone directory, you would see many telephone numbers. For each number, you would see the telephone number details. For example, name, address, etc., etc. So here the telephone number acts as a pointer to the respective details. So this also comes under collections. So we will also see how we can create telephone directory using Java collections in the upcoming videos. So first and the second thing what we need to do is we need to know why do we need collections. So here these are the two examples why we need to use collections. The first one thing, grouping of files in a folder. So for example, if you are using a computer, what you do is you try to create many folders for each purpose. If you create a vacation folder for storing the vacation related files, and birthday folder for storing the pictures, images for birthday related things. Similarly, so here that folder acts as a container to all the things. Similarly, diary. If you want to add some name and the diary, what you do is you just write the names and the diary. So here diary acts as a container. So this is also one type of the collection. So general thing what we are trying to say is collection is a group of things. So this is the major uses why we need to use collections. And then comes in where do we use collections. So in terms of technical perspectives, whenever data is a dynamic, then we need to use collections. For example, if suppose we will consider YouTube subscribers. If suppose a video has got a good quality and quantity, then the subscribers would increase. If suppose a video doesn't have any quality in terms of things that the video trying to say, then the subscribers would decrease. So here the subscriber is a dynamic variable, so it can increase and decrease. There is no limit for that. So here the collections plays a major role. So we'll talk more about this in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.